Hello dears, welcome to Beauty by Heart. I'm Lily, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you my most 3 favorite makeup tools that I've been using recently. And now let's get started! I bought these tools for quite some time, and for the recent few months I've been reaching out for them and love to use them. So let me start off with the first one, which is a face brush. I had watched reviews about this brush, but the one that intrigued me was a video of this very experienced Chinese makeup artist recommending using this brush with a cushion foundation to create a flawless, glowing, natural skin. As the pricing for this brush is not really that cheap, it's 65 USD, I've been aiming for this brush for quite some time. So after a while, I bought this at Beautylish. The handle here is wrapped with rubber, which is the white color over here with the logo artist. It's so silly of me that I bought the white one because right now, I'm not so sure if you just can see there are already foundation stains all over. And the issue is, for rubber, after some time, it will turn to be very sticky. So I'm just afraid after a while, the handle will turn very sticky and then I won't be enjoying using this brush anymore. But currently, the rubber part over here offers a good grip. These bristles are all synthetic and they are made of fiber. They are very densely packed, yet there are still some space in between the bristles so as to allow them to move around. So when we blend out the foundation, it can be blended out easier. I washed this brush immediately when I received this. To my surprise, it is dried within an hour. It is as if the bristles are very thirsty and they drink the water. In the past, I used to use sponge blender to blend foundation, but I had to change the sponge blender frequently as it's more hygienic and they got moldy fast. So sometime back, I changed to brush to apply foundation. I bought a few brushes like Sigma and other brushes, but I still prefer to use this Artist Elite Over 7 brush. It is faster to blend the foundation. Also, like what the makeup artist mentioned, somehow I just find that this brush produces a more glowy, natural, flawless look with any foundation, including soft matte foundation. Although personally I find that the pricing for this brush is expensive, it's worth the purchase because a brush can last a very long time. This brush helps me to save time blending out the foundation, and with the time saved, I can easily use it to do other things. After getting this brush, I like to use this brush on my waterline. I always like a neat, slim, precise eye makeup look on my lower lash line. However, sometimes I succeed, sometimes I'm not. I was using this BH Cosmetics Smudger brush before. This helped me to achieve the look that I want. However, there will be times when I will fail. Until I found this slim smudger brush from Bloom Kit. This is a slim brush compared to the BH Cosmetic one. Okay, not sure if you can see, this is the BH Cosmetic one. And when you turn this side, you can see that actually it has some width over here. But for this slim smudger brush, when you turn to the other side, this is narrow. Because of the narrow width over here for the slim smudger brush from Bloom Kit, this brush helps me to achieve the neat makeup look that I always wanted, easier and faster. And this helps me to increase my success rate about 99.9%. Bloom Kit is a brand that was founded by a Singapore beauty influencer, Roseanne Tan. She also conducts beauty class, and from the real makeup classes and feedbacks from her students, she created these brushes made for practical use. These brushes are made with synthetic bristle and doesn't use animal for testing! Yeah! They are handcrafted and not machine cut. So far, I'm enjoying this slim smudger brush and I would love to explore more brushes from her brand. This morning, when I visited her website, I saw there's a 20% discount till 25th June 2021. Great to use this offer to explore Bloom Kit brushes. Bought this from Lazada early this year. Watched one of my favorites Taiwanese beauty YouTuber rave highly about this Thai brand eyelash curler. This year, I secretly vowed that I can curl my eyelash again. The problem with my lash is it is very weak and it is very stubborn. It is very difficult to be curled. So I would say about more than a decade or should I say when I apply fake lashes, my natural eyelash are never curled again. That's so sad, isn't it? And so far, I'm very happy to have found the right tool, the right mascaras, and the right method to curl my eyelash again. But today, we are just talking about this color first. When I just received this color, I immediately curl my lash without applying any mascara because I want to test out whether this color can really curl my lash. And to my surprise, it really curls. Yeah. And the curl lasts the whole day. Till the following day after I washed my face, I was so wowed by the longevity of the curl. And for the following weeks, same thing. I used this color to curl my lash and without applying any mascara. And for my attached videos demo over here, somewhere here, I must apologize to you dears that despite the effort of me wanting to show you how my lash curled after using this eyelash color, you guys probably can't see anything because my eyelash is really very short, it's hardly visible. I even used a white piece of paper as a background so that I hope you dears can see my short lashes, but I think you dears may need to have a very good eyesight to spot the lashes. I'm so sorry. At the same time, while I'm enjoying this eyelash color, there are some downfall to this as well. The color is white enough, but usually when I curl, the extreme ends of my lashes over here and over here, they are being left out. So while 99% of my lash is curled, maybe 1 or 2 strands of my end lashes will be pointing downwards. Can you imagine that? But I absolutely don't mind because my lash haven't been curled for the past decade. I also heard from my favorite beauty YouTuber that this spoils easily, maybe around this part here. So she advises us to stock up more of this. So just in case when this is broken, we can immediately grab our spare ones. But I've been using this for about half a year. So far, so good, touch wood. It is still in good condition and this works well on my lashes. I hope this video is useful for you, helping you to save time using the right tools and also to improve the efficiency of our makeup application. So now it's your turn to share with me dears, what are your 3 most favorite makeup tools that you have been using recently? Please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Thank you so much. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. Don't rush anything. When the time is right, it will happen. Thank you so much for watching dears. If you happen to like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification button below for my future videos. I love to do beauty products review. If this is your cup of tea, please join in my YouTube family. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye! And before you go, please check out these 2 videos over here. Thank you!